I love Nashville. I gave up the world for it. And the people are the main reason why. The people here are a lot more sane than anywhere else I've ever lived. If you meet people that you disagree with, you can actually have a conversation and get to know each other, still hang out. I feel like I've learned a whole lot more hanging out with people here than anywhere else. I like learning. It's how I got everything that I have. People also are really excited about what they do. Most people, they're not doing something because they have to. They're doing something because they're interested in it and they're excited about it. They got like a story to tell about it too. It feels really good to be around that. And I think the main reason why that culture exists here is there's a strong connection between white collar culture and blue collar culture in Nashville. I think that's mainly because Nashville's got a natural connection between blue collar and white collar culture. I think that's the glue that keeps everything sane here. In cities, you don't need a lot of reminders of appreciating white collar culture. It's pretty dang loud any place there's money. And the larger a city gets, the louder it gets. But in Nashville, we got a couple of reminders that blue collar is really important too. Country music glamorizes both a lot. And we got a whole lot of country music. You can still park in the city here. So that means people who live in the country still come into town for a day trip or something, which means you actually still meet those people. You can mix, have some conversations, stuff like that. And the people who live here can still have cars, which means that they can go out in the countryside, hang out with those people, see what that life is like. Hey, empty spots right there. So there's a lot more of that connection mixed. We just mix a little bit more than you would in a city where you're just completely isolated. And we got these old big factories like this, just a couple blocks away from the Capitol building. I don't smoke, but these look pretty cool. And my favorite is the train lines. We have this giant thing running right through our downtown area. Look at it. The Capitol's right there. It's a pretty loud reminder that, we need things to survive that are made in factories, which means we need the people who work there too. Your doctor can't do a lot of things if he doesn't have that giant 2-ton MRI machine. And even when you're having fun, like that whiskey, couldn't be made without like a really big, heavy still being shipped in. And then you start getting used to the idea. Remember that the phone you use every day, the one I'm filming this on right now, that had to be made in a factory, which needed people to be working there too. And we need those people. Not something hidden. It's running right through our Capitol Park, like the biggest symbol of power and wealth of our entire state. And it's not just there, it's literally on a pedestal. I think this is the stuff that makes the culture here a lot more connected, a lot more chill. It makes it the place I love. So I was a digital nomad. I could live anywhere in the world every day. But I gave it all up to stay here in Nashville permanently. Just fell in love, mostly because of the people. I hope there's a place that you fit too. If it's not where you're at right now, I hope you find it. I hope you get there.